Hello? Oh my god, I was talking to myself. Yo! Good morning, family! Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Pre-FOMC, so the markets might be a little caca, but we'll see. Not expecting the most leading into the meeting, so maybe we just look for the 500 today. Just reloaded these Tradeify accounts. 2,500 to pass. Got to do it in 3 days with 40% consistency. Might just do the 500. Not sure. I'm not expecting a lot of range pre-FOMC, but we will take a gander here. I appreciate you guys. 1 second while I send this out to the friends. Holy shit, huh? Can't believe I was on mute there being a goof, but I appreciate you boys letting me know. Saucy. Bright and early this morning, King. Nice to see you, bro. I locked myself out today. Pobby, pre-FOMC, that's a smart decision, my man. I do not like the price action that we got yesterday at all. Gross, man. Gross. And then we rounded out, and now we're right back in the zone. I think we're going to go take yesterday's low at some point. We'll probably we already took yesterday's high out. Yeah, I imagine yesterday's low at some point is going to become something. But let's just see what happens here. Opening print candle, very doge. Let's see what we can get here today, guys. It is pre-FOMC. Probably not going to be the most market movement that we've seen. You know what I mean? I'm expecting some delivery to the downside, possibly, but we'll take a gander. Daily, we're getting close to the low of the day right now. ATR is climbing. Oh, what are we thinking? What are we feeling? Happy Wednesday, family. Morning, Mad Max. Good morning, King. TLR, same to you, King. Good morning. Welcome in, family. Look, guys, I'm going to be honest. We have FOMC today. Lots of news. Probably this morning session is not going to be the majority of it. If you guys have some accounts you're trying to take advantage of, I really recommend just sidelining yourselves, waiting for the actual meeting, waiting for Powell, waiting for the decision. I'm assuming we're going to get an interest rate cut, obviously. I can't say obviously because anything could happen, but that seems like what we're most likely going to get. So let's just see how the market wants to respond to it. Finding some selling here now. Previous day low down at the 560s. I think we could go find, but I don't know if we're going to do it right away. I think we could. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. I'm looking at shorts right now. Stuck below the VWAP is kind of a nice move. Somewhere in around here. I'm going to be patient, but I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, I always gamble on FOMC. It's easy to, King. The moves are just sharp, large, and quick. So I can understand. We have the hourly chart right here. Like I said, I'm kind of thinking maybe toward yesterday's low. I do not like the way that we auctioned yesterday. Stuck inside of this wick. Really gross. Obviously, we have that liquidity. We could go hunt up top, but it's already been a big line in the sand. So I'm going to be overall looking to the downside, I think. There she is. Good morning, Queen. Welcome in, Danny. Hope you're doing great this morning. Welcome. Hope you're doing okay with this pre-FOMC. We're probably not going to get the most amount of fun that we could be looking for, but we'll see. Sweeping the bottom here, finding a nice little reaction. I still think I want to see the shorts win. I still think we can go see previous day low a little bit here. I do not like yesterday's price action whatsoever. The way we just inched higher. Chop sideways. Close it near the middle point of the day. Overnight ran up to take out overnight highs, previous day highs. And then we found a big sell rejection. Nice candle wick. Try to earn it. Big sell rejection again. So I'm overall leaning quite bearish, but we'll see. Not really. Brand new XFA blown. To be honest, really thinking about quitting. Find it all very stressful. Oh, Queen. Hold on a minute. It is incredibly stressful. It's tough. It's hard. It's a lot of the times it's literally the just definition of painful. But at the same time, Queen, it is the only thing that can provide the opportunity that we're all seeking for, which I know sometimes it feels like it's so far away. Like, obviously, financial freedom is the dream, and that's what we're all seeking, and we're doing it for ourselves. I mean, for our family, for freedom, and we're doing it so we can be the providers. But And I know sometimes it feels like shit. Like, it really does. So I'm right there with you, Queen. I think, obviously, don't quit. I think just take maybe a little bit of the rest of the year off. We do have holiday trading right now, so it's not going to be the most fun. But the journey is a weird journey that is not it's not linear to anybody. So it's like nobody has the same experience and the same timeline. So I can't tell you like, oh, next week, next year, whatever, like next month, you're going to start crushing it. But it really is a moment, Danny, where it's like out of nowhere, you're going to just start feeling things click that you didn't before. And I think a big part of it is just detaching from the stress. Like, obviously, finances are the main motivator for most of us for like, oh, I can't just buy new accounts because it's financials. But at the same time, I know, but never had to pay out, just throwing money away at this point. No, you're not at all, Queen. Not at all. You're investing. You're investing in your future. Like I'm trying to say, like, we as people, like, think about it this way. We're trying to here we go, finding some big selling into the NASDAQ. 560s is yesterday's low. That's kind of what I wanted to see us try to find. Right now, we're just selling. But, Queen, what I was saying was what you're seeking and what you're looking for and what you're here participating for is financial freedom. Good morning, newbie. Amy, Matrix. Sorry, everyone. Welcome in. Just chatting with Danny real quick. She's having a tough one. Just want to share some insight. But, yeah, I can understand the frustration. And like I said, there's no shame in taking a little bit of time off. But definitely don't overall quit. You've put a lot of effort in. I see your trading getting better all the time. And I know the journey feels so pointless sometimes, but I promise you, Queen, just keep showing up. Eventually you're gonna feel something click and it's all gonna happen. And like the way trading is the weirdest thing. You can lose, and then one day just make a lot more than you've ever lost. It's really a weird, painful, tricky game, Queen, but I'm here for you. We all are. So I'm taking a short on this NASDAQ. I don't want 15 contracts, though. I just want 5. Selling some at the 606s here. Probably front running a little bit, but I'm tired of not getting my fill. So I'm front running slightly here, family. See if we can get a fill.
Order filled.
Just got tapped in immediately. Let's see if we can find some reaction off the shorts. Might find a nice little pull, but overall, I still want to see Friday's low get traded. We just kind of found a price near it. We're in at the 606s, so I would need the 56, I believe. Oof, I need 56 to be done with the day. So I'm going to put it on for right now. Buy 5 limit, right? Yep. But yeah, Queen. Damn, Danny, I've been there more than a few times, but it sucks for sure. But all we can do is push through it and get better. It must have been the emotion psychology. Holy shit, look at me just getting ran through right now. Wow. I wanted us to take Friday low out, so I was just pulling under this reaction. Instead, we're down a big old stick now. Huh. Sorry, trying to do 2 things at once here. Might just let this play a little bit, guys. I'm not exactly a fan of that reaction. I really wanted to see Friday's low be taken out. Instead, we stuck right inside of it. Kind of a lame reaction there, but now the longs very much stepped in. Strong closure. Might have to consider closing myself on this little pullback, but gonna give it another second. It's weird because I find these dumps easily, then I get slapped in the chops. So maybe I just need to only find these setups. I think, but thanks for the chat, Ty. Of course, Queen. I think it is a huge part because I do know you have really great shorts and you have great trade analysis. You always spot the trades well. I do think I also fall victim into this. So we do not over trade, but we just look for. We're always into the market and looking for certain moves. So we can get caught in terrible price action, kind of like yesterday. Honestly, yesterday was awful price action, and I got stuck all inside of it. So it's moments like that make me feel shitty, but you know how to trade and you know how to spot charts. It's just a matter of time before it comes together for you. Good morning to all. Sorry to hear, Danny. Keep your chin up. We all go through these periods. Mental strength is what keeps you going. Let's go, Diego. Good energy, King. Absolutely. You're not alone in the pain, Queen. I promise. We all feel it frequently as well. I might have to close this for a little loss. I don't know. I don't really love the way the longs came in here to hold this price. It makes me feel a little bit bad about myself. All right. Well, there's a little reaction. Do I close down here now? Kind of think I should. Yeah, nice little wick move. Personally thinking I should close this. What do we think, family? I don't like that we just immediately ripped up through my price. I still want to see Friday's low get taken out, which is why I was hesitating, but that's a really ugly wick coming into our price at the 600s. Don't really want to see a heavy wick like that. Let's give these shorts a couple moments here. I think overall directions to the downside. That Friday wick looks very susceptible, but if we are going to have that strong reaction and then start holding at our price, makes me a little uneasy. Makes me a little bit uneasy there. That's an ugly wick that I don't want to see wick out. You know what I'm saying? I like the reaction. I like the closure, but I mean, not closure, but the reaction. You got this, Danny. You already know what you're doing. Consistency is coming. Let's go, Queen. I love it, newbie. Welcome in. You absolutely right. Probably should have just burned that there. Obviously, we had a little tiniest tap of our price, and I should have considered closing, but I think shorts are in. I still want to see Friday's low. I do not like how we just turned around. Fucking, what was that? Where is this price? Come on, zoom out. 7 points shy of that low. God, I've been hating the NASDAQ lately. Same thing we did yesterday with that previous wick, where we just stuck inside of the range. Where was it? What am I referencing? I don't even see. Look, I'm all thrown off over here. Gosh. Gosh dang it to heck. Kind of considering closing this down here, family. It's not my favorite right now. We're holding really strong at this EMA. I think we're going to get some volatility up to the VWAP possibly. Gosh, what a strong reaction out of fucking... Ooh, trading. I get it, Danny. I so get you, Queen. It is so frustrating sometimes. Oh, but that's why we're here at the end of the day. This is the only reason that we take this pain and damage and struggle, is so that we can get the benefit that not many people can get to experience. We just got to deal with this bullshit, sadly. Took an L today. Wasn't supposed to get tapped in, but the spread on the pair got me in at 9:30. Came around and touched my booty and back up. Pain. Work. Sorry to hear it, King. Glad you got a little bit of tries, though. I mean, hey, you can never make money if we don't try. So thanks, Diego and newbie. Just having a rough time, but for sure consistency is key. I just might need a break because I'm just not feeling it right now. Breaks are everything, Queen. I told you that December PA is arrestable. It's arrestable. It is arrestable. Why are we avoiding these price? Like, just the fills have been ass lately. That's why I don't want you to put it on yourself, Queen. Danny, like, look, this is just a hard price, hard time to be trading. Like, what the fuck is this wick, man? Look at this hourly wick. After avoiding these prices is crazy. There's a VWAP touch. I really should have my stops up around this price because this is the top of the 15-minute range now. Shouldn't be giving up more, but my God, I'm so frustrated. The fact that we just find an immediate boner candle out of there and just never hesitate. But again, Queen, these are just some hard markets, so don't put it on yourself. Don't beat yourself up for struggling. And also, it's okay to not be motivated and not be feeling it. Take the time. Take a little bit of time off. It is the 10th of December. We got a couple more weeks. 2026 is going to roll around. And I have some plans for 2026 of how I want to get trading a little bit more. Not that I don't treat it serious, but I'm just going to start giving it a little bit more of effort and time. Because I think at one point, like I said, I think one of my biggest obstacles right now, like you were saying, Danny, is just not being able to fully recognize when price action is just not enjoyable and not agreeable. And it's kind of what I'm experiencing lately. I just feel like I've been I want to say over aggressive, but it's not even really that. It does. It feels a little bit over aggressive. I feel like I'm not respecting my strategy as much as I'd like to. But again, it's not even as fully me. Again, the markets have just been really tricky. So this is trading. Sadly, this is trading. Nothing's easy. Nothing's clear. Nothing's clean. Nothing is guaranteed. And yeah, that's what we're here for. But this is pre-FOMC. So the market today, I'm expecting to be pretty choppy, rangy, and boring. Yeah, it's kind of what I was expecting today anyways, but we'll see what we can get. Currently very much down on this position off of fucking just an immediate rejection. I just cannot right lately. I just cannot myself either, Danny. Let's get our box drawn out. I might have to close this trade depending on how this shape looks, because honestly we are getting into the fun of it here. There's our first 15-minute range. Longs look very strong as always because I'm short. Fucking perfect V recovery. Incredible closure. I really should be out of this position. This is so frustrating. Oh, I'm waiting for the rally for Christmas. Did we break 650 for more up or go back to retest to 75s? Well, you know what I'm looking to see, Amin, but not looking really good right now. If we break 650, I'm cooked. Yeah, same. And because I lost the money, I felt a strong urge to make it back, and then stupid shit is done. Yep. Absolutely, Queen. That's a classic right there. Look at the NASDAQ trying to push through this VWAP, trying to push through the top of the 15-minute range. If we get there, I'm probably just, I don't even know. I already am feeling it a little bit as well. Just the sidewaysness, the pre-FOMC, this overall stress the last couple months have been bringing. We're all feeling it, family. It really, truly has been a tough little session. So these are the moments I just remind us that these are the moments that people wouldn't trade, but these are the moments that you wouldn't trade for because they also wouldn't get to experience the benefits when we get to feel the highs. So it's like Newbie said, lowest of lows, highest of highs, and we just ride it out together. Is Santa coming this year? Not for me. I've been a bad boy, Fabby. You've been watching me while I'm sleeping. He's like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Delta is over 1K negative on that candle, and we are bouncing. Protect your accounts, everyone. This is wild. Yeah, what the fuck? Exactly, Newbie. Strong negative delta, and we're just rallying. It's so frustrating. Now I'm down 1,100 on this first trade already. Market's testing the top of the 15-minute range. Frustrating, because I just don't believe the longs, but it doesn't matter because they're doing it, and it's just like yesterday where it just keeps slowly inching, crawling higher and fucking cooking our account. Look at this. What the fuck is that in Doji, man? God. I fucking hate trading too, Danny. Sucks sometimes, Queen. But it also is so good sometimes. Fuck. Oh, my word. Just unbelievable price action. Most bullshit fucking wick. Avoiding yesterday's lows. Just this price action has been ass the last couple days. Like, what is this? Mink, 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 mink. Look at the hourly chart. Seriously. Gross. Seriously gross. Well, we're back inside of the VWAP. This trade feels pretty bad, but, I mean, look at the candle at 12 o'clock today. Looked like a good short setup, and then look at the wick back up. It was brutal. At 12 o'clock. You mean 12 a.m.? Oh, 12 o'clock for you, Queen, huh? So that was like, what, 5 hours ago? So 4:30? Yeah. Yeah, no, I understand, Queen. I really do. It's not been easy. Came out of nowhere. Message retracted. The bonds are great to trade on FMC. I like that, Bobby. Buyers hold 575. No discipline from this guy today. Wasn't positive one time. I think short start from 750, 707. Yes, that one. Yeah, that's an ugly, ugly price right there. Sorry, Queen. I do. I understand. No discipline from this guy today. Wasn't positive one time. Saucy, sorry to hear it, brother. You're not alone, man. The markets have been fucking brutal, and it's pre-FOMC, so I think the discipline for you would have been actually just waiting in general for the real moment to start. But I understand, King. I do. We're all just trying to do our best here. NASDAQ finally making a little bit of fucking logic. Just the tiniest bit. Not out of the woods yet, but at least back to an affordable price here. If we get a pull back up into the VWAP, I'm going to take a second short. Otherwise, I just want to see this thing keep printing to the downside for us. Can't add another contract because I'm so red. Otherwise, I would have really shorted this EMA touch. But I'm going to take another one at VWAP if I do and then have my stops above. So I'm going to put a second one right here. Limit sell 5. Give me it. Fill my contract for a second tap there. Even though these buyers are fucking insane.
Order filled.
Just got tapped in there for our second contract. Stops are going to be up and above the 15-minute range high now. Buy 10. This needs to be 10 stop. Buy 10 stop. Now I just want to see these sellers show me some love and push us to the downside here. This little line in the sand is now the battle price. We find some selling through here. It could look decent. If we find these buying back up to the VWAP, obviously we're going to be wrong and just take that on the chin. What's your stop loss, Ty? It is now up and above the top of this 15-minute range sweep, Pobby. So 673 is my current stop. Risking a lot of money, honestly, because we're already down from this original position at the 606s. So I want to see the VWAP hold for these sellers and for us to find a push back to the downside. I don't need this long TP anymore. What am I in at? 630, and I only need... What do I need? 630. I need 25 points with 2 contracts, so I need 605. So this needs to be my exit. Buy 10 limit. That's the trade that we're looking at right now. Can we get a little flush down there, please, Nazi? Give me a little flush. I want to see these sellers just one time be realistic. Last couple of days, they've just been getting slapped. Come on, sellers. Why is my line, my price, the line in the sand? Get through there. Stop treating me like the fucking market maker. No risk, no reward, baby. Here we go. There he is, Coop. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you, brother. Just another day, man. Stoked to have the support. No risk, no Rari. You got to risk it for the biscuit. Our price is the line in the sand at these 630s. We're looking for a 605 exit for our $1,000 trade for the day. Can we get there? Be on 5 accounts. Show me some love, NASDAQ. Got to find some selling through these 600s, 615s. Don't like the way that we're holding this price whatsoever. Come on, sellers. Go take out those 605s. Get heavy for us. Get down there. Get down there. I'm going to put break even on a little bit soon. Show me the love. Just need 25 points in the NASDAQ. Is that really that fucking hard to get? Yeah, because we wick out of everything like that. Oh, NASDAQ. You fucking sloot. It's so weird the last couple of days of trading. Like, I'm getting so close to take profits, but have no relief. No relief. I'm getting so close to my profit, my orders being hit, and I have no relief whatsoever. It's agonizing. Like, just fucking trade through. My word. Please. I'm asking very nicely, NASDAQ. You've been treating me very bad. All of my friends, you've been bullying us, okay? All I need from you is just a little bit of love. Go show me these 605s, and then we can be like, okay, this is a new thing together. Show me the love. These 610, 615s are going to act like a bouncing pad. Like, you can't make this shit up. It just will not go through to our prices lately. Finally getting some reaction, and then we're just going to have a boner candle bring us all the way back up probably. I'm just expecting it. I am. Trading has been awful, brutal, unrealistic, inaccurate, confusing, but it's also a beautiful game that we get to play, and it has the chances to be amazing. Even though most of the time it's been painful, like it really has. Look at this, decompressed selling. I hate it. I'm expecting at one point the next candle is just going to be a straight boner to the upside. Why are we auctioning like this? Please be clean and clear. I like that we're below the EMA, but the way that we can't sell through these 615, 620s is ridiculous. Market, give my king his TP. Let's go, Matrix. I like it, king. Blue 1 XFA, 3 remains. 3 remains, though. Let's go, baby. Those 3 are going to be yours. Can we get there? 10 points now. Looks decent, but I don't trust this market whatsoever. Nothing is solidified in this game. Here we go. Getting teased again.
Order filled.
Oh, we hit a winning trade. Wow. I'm going to take off all our orders now. See this little order? This is trying to make me blow my account. See this little one sitting here? Nope. Nope. All right. All right. Okay. Let's go, Matrix. Let's go. Matt, Max, Diego, Poppy, y'all are the best. Let's fucking go. The market finally gave us a little bit of respect there. Now, I do think we go see Friday lows potentially in towards these 560s, but we'll take a see. We'll see what happens. Holy cow. What a trade. What a painful little moment there. Amy, you were right, King. We held below the 650s. We pushed up to the top of the range, held below there, stuck below the VWAP. We took a second contract, which ended up paying us the bills there. Finger bang that gray exit button before closing your app, LOL. This one right here, Diego. This one right here. Make sure it's on all my markets too. You know, it's like. Let's take a quick look at gold while we're here. Gold is still up, 4200s, 4220s. Gold is only up because our dollar's down. Oh, cough, cough, cough. Oh, we did it. We really did it. What a strong reaction here to make things get interesting, and us have to be patient. What a strong little move. I went back to the stream before yesterday, and there was no order left on screen. I think Tradeify or Tradeify screwed up. Yeah, the thing about that, newbie, you know what makes me sad about that? Is that I already reset them, so that feels like shit. And also, if I didn't, this is my thing. It's like, if I didn't reset those, and I went through the whole support thing, and went through all of that. Nice win. Thank you, Danny. Good luck to you too, Quinn. I hope again, today's pre-FOMC, so if you're actually trying to take a day off, today's a good day for that. We're going to have nothing really exciting happening until 2, and then from there, it's going to be unpredictable chaos. But, yeah, newbie, I also looked back and saw that, and I was like, But the thing about it is, like, would they have even listened to me? Would they have even cared? Probably not. I would have been stuck in a support chat for a couple days and would have been able to Tradeify. I don't know. Was it the right move to just reset them? Because I'm really pretty confident. It's never happened to me before, ever. Not one time. You guys, I mean, what are we on? Episode 168. And I've never had a prop firm or a project or a system software close an order or fill an order. I don't even know. It doesn't even make any sense. It obviously just took a free trade. Like, it took a random trade for me. Like, of course it wasn't a winner. You know what I mean? Even the AI computers can't take winning trades. Nope. It was a big fat loser for us to blow our accounts. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it was, newbie. And now it's too late. Obviously, I reset my accounts. So, and now I reset them twice because yesterday we blew them again. So they're going to be like, yeah, tough luck, kid. Sucks to suck, kid. It happened to me with Top Step. It was executing phantom orders that could not be closed. Phantom order still means that you could see it, though. That's interesting there. We didn't even have an order I could see. I don't know. NASDAQ still holding these 600s pretty strong. Back to the 630s now. Forming a little bit of a W pattern, but we're stuck inside of the 15-minute range still. Anything below VWAP and anything below the 650s, I'd be bearish. Yo, there's 23 people watching, family, and there's only 6 likes. That's painful. That's painful. Yesterday we got 18. We didn't even get to our 20 likes. So I'm gonna make sure I ask y'all as nice as I can. If y'all watch this stream consistently, you find any value whatsoever, show some love. Hit that like button. We've been really shy of our goal lately of 20. And I don't know. I'm taking that as a reflection of either I'm doing something that y'all aren't vibing with. Probably my trading's been ass, my mindset maybe. But whatever it is, I'm going to work on it. I want y'all to be finding value and us to be building this together. So let me know. Oh, I love a good neck alignment. Happy FOMC day, subs. Good luck, King. Protect that account. Don't be crazy. Don't be wild. If you guys haven't taken any trades yet, be patient for that 2 o'clock meeting. Powell's going to bring some volatility. 10 o'clock right now. We have an hour. 3 hours till, no, 4 hours till the dude starts talking. That's when things get exciting, family. And then hopefully that brings into some volatility for tomorrow and then Friday. So we have a good rest of the week here. Let's just take advantage of it. You can't see phantom orders. Support said they were ghost orders. So I guess that's what I should have said, LOL. Got you. Okay, well then maybe that did happen to us, actually. Maybe we did have an order that I hit that gray button like this right here, this one right here. See me Tradeify, just in case you be weird again. You see this? I'm clicking it. Everyone watch. I'm clicking it. Yeah, maybe if you click that, it still had an order put in. I'm not sure. But happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Sobs, hope you're doing great. Hope the daughter and family are doing well. And I hope, more importantly, you guys have had the right mindset and expectations, because this is a hard fucking game. Trading is brutal, but it's only testing the strongest of us. You're only here doing this if you can handle it at all. So you're built for this, Danny. You're literally built for this, queen. If you weren't, you wouldn't be here, and you wouldn't have stuck in this long. She's the spawn of the devil today. Oh no, a little sleepy girl. Jeez. A little sleepy, fussy one. W day already, brother. Let's go. Let's go work. I appreciate it, King. When it works, it works. We actually had to fight for that one pretty fucking hard. And this kind of just comes back to what I was saying earlier, Danny, and actually everybody else as well. Take a peek, guys. I think this has been my biggest obstacle, my biggest problem as a trader lately, okay? Over trading. I think I have, because I took those payouts, I think, and this is just me being completely honest, me being aware, me trying to share as much as I can with you guys. I think since those payouts, my confidence was up. In terms of like, oh, like less fear and more confidence in terms of like, I was willing to take more trades, obviously, because I just had proof that there is a result and a potential reward for that. So now, because prior, my original, if you guys go back a while, it's like I was hesitating to take most trades. Instead of like getting in more where I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try this here, I'd be like, like a lot more hesitation. Like this first trade right here, I probably would have hesitated on. I wouldn't have taken it. And if you look at it, it's kind of a shitty entry. Like there's really nothing here. What is this? This is minute 6 into the market. It's minute 7 into the market. Why did I think that was going to find some continuation selling? Instead, we doji this bottom candle, invert really strong and hard, give us a shitty entry. And the only time we actually take a good entry was when we have our 15-minute range play out, our normal. This is our bread and butter for y'all here often. 15-minute range play out, a sweep of the high of the range, stuck below VWAP again off this nice rejection candle, stuck back inside of the range, a retest of the top with the VWAP. Classic. This is our classic trade right here. We take this often, and it paid out. And this one is the only one that paid out, and this one was a complete break-even trade. So this is an example of what I mean by over trading. Not that I'm like taking shit trades. It's just that I'm not waiting for the setups. And like you were saying, Danny, you do find those spots well, but we're not waiting for those spots. We're not waiting to be very hyper specific on when I want to get in with our criteria. And I think that's something we could work on as a group. W already. Payouts will ruin your risk management if you let it. Been victim of that many times. Still learning. After a payout, I don't hesitate to go bigger and boom, lose the accounts. Exactly, Diego. W insight, King, because it's what I've been feeling is like, or what I'm reflecting on and thinking I'm noticing is just, yeah, I had those payouts. I felt comfortable. I still do feel a little bit comfortable. So it just allows me to like, just not be specific in my entries, not be so dialed in, not be so hyper focused. And these are things I'm gonna work on. Changed into 2026. We're gonna do that. Like you said, baby, always learning, always adjusting, always improving. spending the time with ourselves and reflecting on what we did right, what we do wrong. Sometimes we do a lot right. Sometimes we do a lot wrong. And that's just trading. But we'll see. Like, I don't even know if this was the right move to hold this trade all the way through. If I would have taken this for a stop loss, we would have had to look more for this trade. That's actually a really good point, too. Had I taken this stop somewhere, right, like top up here, wherever, somewhere, then I wouldn't have been able to afford. I would have had to look for more points with this one. So I don't know. I don't know if it was the right move to hold that for as long as I did, but it's because I didn't believe shorts or longs. Anything below 650, guys, anything below VWAP, I'd be feeling pretty bearish. That's why I have my winning streak rule. I'd rather take the break to humble myself than let the market do it. Tends to be a lot harsher. It's really good insight. Little winning streak rule. If you hit it, if you're hitting it big, take a little time off, give yourself some space. I don't know how much effective that would be for me in the moment, just because it's been like now 2 months since my payout, and I still feel like, or I guess not anymore. I guess today, recently, last week or so, I've officially turning over where I'm like getting annoyed at myself for just what I feel like is just imperfect trading, which again, no trading is ever going to be perfect ever, but it's just bad trading, like just weaker trading. Like this entry here, 7 minutes in the market, there's nothing telling me to take this short. It was early. I was just feeling ambitious, feeling excited, got caught in the movement, whatever it is. There's a couple. You can chalk it up to whatever you want to chalk it up to for this first entry. And then the second entry, actually, I can build a story around. I can tell you why I took it. I can tell you why we got out where we got out. It was just a clean trade. And that's just what's happening. But I think we need to limit those stupid little goofy mistakes. That gives us the best chance to take advantage when the market is going to listen to us. And then from there, we just do what we can. Like, we would have just been tap break even, or almost break even now on this contract that we would have taken. What is this fill? 54.75. 52. So 54.75 is right where my line is. Let's see if we would have been break even yet. Like I said, anything below 50s and anything below the VWAP, I would be looking to be selling. There's 19 people, family. Again, if every single person watched right now hit the like button, we'd be at our goal of 20. We've been a little bit shy of it lately. And I can understand, just because trading's been ass. It's been hard. It's been painful. My trading hasn't been great lately. Just in terms of patience and overall focus. But we're here. We're doing it. 2026 coming so fucking quick. It's literally around the corner. And then from there, guys, we're just going to constantly be trying to get better every day. Like we do now. You know what I mean? Nothing changes. It's the holiday season, though. So this is my favorite time of the year to just be with family anyways. This is what we're doing it for. We're doing it for them. It's a good time to just take it off if that's what your focus should be on. Because look at this. Let me just show you why. Because like Newbie said, December price action is arrestable. Look at this December price action. What the fuck? Look at this gross charts. This is all December so far. So you cannot take this on your chin and blame yourselves, family. And actually what this really says is we should just be shorting all tops and buying all bottoms. Buy, buys, shorts, shorts, shorts. This thing is leaving prices so weirdly. Like, look at that. Let's just look at a normal NASDAQ for reference. Look at this normal price facilitation. This makes sense. This is trackable. This is November. This is something that I can, like, put my hat on. Look at this December. Oh, my fucking God. Oh, it's cucking nasty, gross, bad. It's not us, family. It's not us. We have to remember that. We have to separate ourselves from the price action. When price action is bad, that doesn't mean we are bad. It just means we have to practice our discipline to not be involved. Laugh my ass off. December nasty. It is nasty, Paul. Like, just take a gander at this. Is normal. This is normal November facilitation. And then you come into this. Ugh. Nothing is pushing through. Every range is being held. Tops are being stopped. Bottoms are being held. Like, gross. And yet we can all feel, and yet we're all feeling it. Which is why, you know, experienced traders, kind of like Newbie, she's just saying, I'm going to take the month off because this doesn't look good. Or at least wait for better price action, which today could induce. Being FOMC, we could get a little bit of excitement. I'm not sure. But Yeah, we'll see. What a crazy, crazy, crazy day. Like, I just can't believe how gross this really is to look at. So from December, let's just go to 2nd, just because it'd be a little bit cleaner. We have this bottom down here at these 489s. It's got a 400-point range. It's not terrible, but it's not good. It's not terrible, but it's not good. This is the market going to be stuck in a holding pattern, waiting for FOMC, guys. Only anticipation. Now, this is one thing I will hope for this meeting, is to maybe break out of this range, right? So from the 560s to the 740s, this has been the range for the last couple days. We broke out, broke right back inside of, held the bottom. We've been stuck in a very sideways channel, and I'm hoping today maybe we go take out some lows. Maybe we come back down into this November high of like the 300s and then fly up to like, I don't know. I don't know what we're going to get. Let's go look at the daily real quick. Excuse me. Yeah, the daily's telling me bearish. Holy shit. The daily's telling me FOMC could get wild. The daily is telling me we could go see like a 2-300 on the FOMC day. But we'll see. Or we hold this EMA and push right up to all-time highs. That's our two alternatives. We either hold low a day here. See how we're wicking at this price? We either hold this and go take out high a day, or what I really think we could be seeing is a pull down in like these 2-300s and just start sweeping liquidity. Maybe the 400s is previous high. I don't know. It's kind of ugly. That's all it is. It's just not attractive. It's a little bit ugly. Oh, that's so ugly. Sat in a trade for 2.5 hours yesterday afternoon for $5. Shit was junk. King, wow. 2.5 fucking hours for a break even is wild. $5. Not anymore, Bobby. He said $5 is a McDonald's meal. Not anymore, King. Just the 10 piece is $10. You want a 10 piece with a fry? Look, good luck. That's a $20 bill. You want a drink with that? Sorry. Give your left kidney. Oh, I'm sorry. You want 2 burgers? Yeah. You got to drop your car off. Use your car as leverage. Still stuck below the VWAP here, guys. See if we can find the continuation from these sellers. Right now, we're obviously just chopping within the 15-minute range. This holding period. Down 25, up 30, down 15, up 20, back and forth. Just fucking cut it and cried. Yeah, that's awful. It's really, I mean, just look at the price action. This is what we're getting. Straight cucka bad. Just straight cucking gross, nasty, bad. Laugh my ass off for real. I remember when they were $1 each. The little dollar menu. Bring back the McDollar menu. The McDollar menu. Yeah, that shit is left in 2015. 2015, when you could buy Bitcoin for like $100. Bring me back. Bring me back to $1 McChicken and $100 Bitcoin, please. I will invest all of my earnings, every penny I own. In 2015, I only had like $100 to my name anyway. So, but hey, I could have owned 1 Bitcoin. Fuck. Should have bought a Bitcoin when I was 15. What am I doing? The dollar store is really the $1.50 store now. Unreal. That's disgusting. That is just changing. That is just inflation. 50%. Our dollar store is not even a dollar store anymore. God. Still stuck below VWAP, stuck below those 50s. Like Amy said, anything below the 50s, I'm feeling bearish. Stuck below the VWAP, sellers are in control. Let's go see where we auction towards. Friday's low is untapped at those 650s or so, 560s. Had a guy telling me about Bitcoin when it was $20 a coin. I told him, I don't know what the fuck you're saying to me, but I'm buying a bag of weed with this 20 bucks. Sobs, buy your weed and then buy a Bitcoin too. Like, you know what, dude? I don't know what you're talking about. You sound fucking nuts. What is a Bitcoin? What? I like pennies. But I will go buy this ganja and I will buy one of your little coins, buddy. And now you'd be chilling. Now you'd be chilling. True ass story, swear on my life. Oh my God, my dude. $20 Bitcoin. I was not advised about Bitcoin until it was too late. Until I was like 17, 18, 19 and I was broke and I put my 10 grand into AMC and lost every dollar. Fuck. Everything between 600 and 700, not good for trade. Good awareness, good analysis, I mean. We're stuck in a range. Nothing of high probability within those prices. Within the 6s or the 7s, if we break below 6, could get interesting. So that's the spot. But, man, y'all remember buying Reggie? Reggie? Wait, what's Reggie, Pobs? Yo, somebody let me know real quick how many likes we're at, family. There's 20 beautiful people here. We should be at least at like 15 to 17 likes. If y'all just show some love, we should be at like 15 to 17. Never smoked, but I remember my friends doing it. Reggie is dirt weed. Oh, dirt weed? Oh, God. We called it brick weed. Just the bricks. It's like, it would come in like this little like literally brick looking thing. It was all like, ugh, dirty and gross. Ugh, ugh. Like the most cucka weed. Yeah, exactly, Pobs. But hey, that's how you got high. $20 for like 5 grams, lol. Woke up with a hangover. Exactly. Instead, you should have bought Bitcoin, my boy. No, but seriously, all reality, I'm curious. I want to ask you guys this because we're all investors here. We're all in the financial markets. We're all interested in finances. What do y'all think of crypto long term for real? Like, for real. Are you, like, Sobs, are you going to be putting crypto in your daughter's name? Are y'all going to be, like, trying to predict the future that way? Do you think we go that way as a future? All right, y'all, gym time. Have a great day and size down for FOMC. Not worth the gamble to put on size. Good luck. Well said, Diego. Appreciate you for stopping in, King, and sharing your insight. Have a good lift, King. We'll be here for you tomorrow. And if you do trade FOMC, good luck, brother. I got 15 XRP coins. Going to make me rich. Yes, sir. XRP to 100. Even $10 XRP would be wild. W's. Also, I got in trouble at my internship. Oh, what do you mean, Pobby? What'd you do, King? Joke around a little too much with them? Neon Ninja says, crypto, number go up. Won't replace anything, though. So why is the numbers just going to go up because of inflation and because of overall sentiment? If it's not going to replace anything and find any value in terms of like economic statement and like actual value, why do you think that we keep going up? When you see people tell you this is the end of crypto, buy it. I like that, Amy. I agree. Extra party 100K. Come on, yo. Come on. Bring it to the mans. Saad, what would you even do with 1.5 milli? You got 15 of those things. It rips up to 100K a coin. You sell for 1.5 million in the bank account. What are you doing, King? Me personally, guys, I'm long on crypto. I really am. I think overall it is... I think overall it's a direction that is inevitable in terms of like it is just going to be the cleaner currency in terms of like trackable, usable, all the things. Now, people don't like trackable. It's like, oh, it's supposed to be decentralized. Yeah, but that's just not the way the world goes. Because I told the new hire he likes sausage for the shape, not the taste. Dude. I was joking. Boss said it was funny, but don't say that, lol. That shit is so fucking funny, Pob. Let's fucking go. You like sausage for the taste, for the shape, not the taste. Government won't allow it to replace anything they want. They want control. I agree, Neon. But that's the thing is like, don't you think then that they're just gonna do that, where they're gonna Well, there's two options to what you're saying, or two alternatives. Either they become regulation and they do take control, even though it's decentralized. They're going to do what they can to regulate it and grab their piece of the control wheel. Or the dollar and the system breaks as is. The U.S. economy goes to complete dog shit. Our dollar breaks. We have inflation that goes out of control. Our U.S. market drops. And then all economic investors go towards a global currency like coin, which wouldn't be tethered to the U.S. dollar and not tethered to the U.S. government, which some people might find attractive. So, I don't know. JP Morgan boss is laughing, but he wasn't. Either start a business or buy out a successful business. Yo, Saab, let's open a gym, a golf gym. Okay? My boy sent me this yesterday, and I thought it was fucking mint. Dude, a golf gym, right? So obviously you have simulators, but then you have a gym there. You have a spot for, like, recovery, for, like, you know, stretching and mobility. You have a spot for, like, massages because, like, you know, you can get your back tight and shit. Yep, golf gyms are fire. See, I didn't even know they existed, bro, until just yesterday. Guys, still stuck below the VWAP, still stuck below those 50s. This is the sellers being in control at those prices. That'd be a pretty fun little investment, though. I think a business would be the play. I got a burp. I'm a funny guy, but I should chill with the wild shit I say. Nah, man. Be you, Pops. It's too fucking. You're too unique, King. Shine your bright light. If someone doesn't get it, well then fuck, they're not your vibe. They're not your group. They're not your tribe. Have to be in the right area, like a major city or something. Yeah, I know. That mostly is the issue. Maybe Portland, Maine could work. I mean, it's fairly city-like. It is pretty populated. Not a lot of opportunity in terms of like things to do. Not a lot of like fun things to have. So, kind of a competitive opportunity there in terms of like there's just nothing to do in Maine. I don't know. Could be interesting. Have to be in the right area. Message retracted. Amy took the message back. Still below these VWAP. Buyers are trying to hold the 600s. See what we can do around these 650s now. Pre-FOMC. Everything's feeling a little slower, huh, family? For the golf gyms, all your clients have money, LOL. See, that's another piece right there, I mean. All the people coming in have a little bit of currency. So you can, like, you know, you can have a little upsells, a little smoothie bar in there that they'd be interested in. You could have, like, a little, it's just decent all around. It's just kind of a decent idea. You could have, like, a little club cleaning spot where you could, like, have a little club cleaner guy. I don't know. It could be vibes. It could be vibes. Obviously, it's an investment, but... Yo, somebody let me know real quick how many likes we have, family. I know it's pre-FOMC. Everything's a little bit slower. There's only like 15, 20 people in here right now. So most of us are taking the morning as is, which is, I like we should. I don't think we should always be involved with these markets. Like right now, this is really pretty shitty price action. But yeah. I don't know what I would do if I had I definitely would open some type of business, but I don't know what it would be. I don't know exactly what it would be. Or I'll just invest it. I mean, I'm young enough. I would just invest it and just... Well, I don't know. It's too hard. Keeping money is different than making money. You know what I'm saying? My last week or so hasn't been the greatest on the market, so I'm probably chilling for the day and maybe for the rest of the week. Get some mental capital back. That's what we got to do, King. We got to load back up on that mental capital. It feels like that. As a community, I'm feeling that. Like, overall, I be in here doing this every day, feeling the sentiment of everybody. Overall, okay, even on Twitter, on, like, all the spaces, on, like, TikTok comment section, I'm in the industry. Overall, this is the vibe everyone's been feeling. Just overall bland, lackluster, just a little bit of fatigue, just mental fatigue. It's interesting how it's like culminating across the entirety of us all, which I think just goes to show like this is the Like, we are a collective. You know what I mean? We all are so much more tethered together than we realize. So I understand. If you need to take the break, Sobs, do what you got to do, King. We're here for you when you come back, brother. 2026 is an opportunity to only get better. We got to just fucking, sit with ourselves, figure out what it is that we need to do to actually get better. Figure out what it is that we need to focus on. Have the awareness to give ourselves that space and then actually take advantage. Exhausted, LOL. Here with you, Queen. It really is just been a lot. Honestly, the Nazi has just been dicking me around. 60-point pullbacks, tagging me in break-even shit like that. Yeah, I understand, King. Oh, Sobs, do I understand, King. NASDAQ still holding below the VWAP and these 50s right now. Sellers still showing that they're in control for this morning moment. Market's been open for almost an hour now, heading into the pre-FOMC, and we are still stuck below VWAP. Sellers showing their strength at that price. Just an interesting day. Just an interesting day. Man, what do we think an FOMC is going to be? That's going to be a wild amount of price action. Or it's going to be just shitty, boring December price action. I don't know. I really don't know. I think it has an opportunity to be pretty exciting. A lot of selling, I think. Now, kind of looking at the daily chart, I can imagine us seeing some selling, but I don't know. NASDAQ still stuck below those 50s in the VWAPs, pushing back towards these 30s now. Sellers are starting to show their dominance a little bit again. 8 more likes for that 20. Come on, guys. Hey, work. I appreciate the update, King. Yo, family. You see that thumbs up? That little icon? Is it even just a thumbs up? Man, that's one thing YouTube should change. They should make it a heart. Put a little heart on. Put a little heart on. A little thumbs up, a little heart, a little like. I don't know. Overall, though, been proud of myself lately. Been trading same XFA since the start of October. That's never been the case. Taking 2 payouts from it and still have alive, so can't complain too much. No, my gosh, Sobs. If only, dude, do you realize how actually exceptional that really is, King? That is very, very special. I'll say that I've never had a combine or an XFA for 2 months ever, and I've only had a couple combines I've taken 2 payouts out of, so. Pat yourself on the back, King. I mean, that is a testament to your trading for sure. Good for you. No trades between 6 and 700, King. Just watching. I like that, Amin. I like that discipline, King. That is amazing. Sobs, for real, be proud of yourself for that, King. That is a testament to your experience getting better, dude. You're literally just getting steps and steps closer to what you're seeking, which is that financial freedom for you and your daughter. And you are doing that, King. That's crazy. Imagine if that was times 5. You've had 5 ISFAs for 2 months, taking technically 10 payouts out of them. Ooh, 2026 loading. 2026 loading. NASDAQ still respecting below the VWAP, pushing back towards these 620s. Are we going to break lower? Are we going to break lower? Are we going to maintain? Not sure. Good morning. Hope everyone had a great day. Drop the likes and hit the weights. I'm short from the 50s. Let's fucking go, Pat. We've been talking all morning about the 50s, King. So I'm glad you have a nice awareness there. Spotted the shorts. Have your stops above the 50s. Oh, anything below VWAP, sellers are in control, man. Good morning, though, Pat. Happy to have you here, King. 14 likes. You're the man. 6 more to go, family. If y'all haven't yet, show some love. All right, King, I'm done for the day. Take it easy, Matrix. How'd those other 3 XFAs go? You said you blew 1. You had 3. Are you locking them out? Waiting for FOMC? It's a good idea if you do. Appreciate that. Took this account back to ground zero. Started small, not caring about profits, more about process, working on emotions, etc. That's it, Pat. That's how we do it, Sobs. And the results are literally printing. So good for you, King. That process that you've been working on, nothing needs to change. Just got to do more of that going into 2026. Love you guys. Love you too, Pat. Appreciate you for stopping in, King. Happy FOMC day, by the way. Protect your accounts. We are having a choppy day, waiting for the meeting here in about 3.5 hours. Locked out, green on 2 accounts. I like that. I like that a lot, Matrix. Good shit, King. Absolutely good stuff. Absolutely good stuff. Way to show some love, Queen. Even in her tough moments, she still shows support. That is a fucking queen right there. You deserve your moments too. You're gonna get it too, Nanny. I know it. That's the thing, is like, this fucking game is the weirdest thing, because it's like that mine. It's like that little meme. You guys know what I'm talking about, where he's swinging a little pickaxe and there's like a bunch of shit in front of him, and then right away is diamonds, and he's walking away before that. Let's go, Tyler Cam. Good profits for the day. I seen May tomorrow. Meet be your day again and again and again. Manny H. First time I think I've seen your name, King. Welcome in, chatter. Means the most. Thanks for joining this community, dude. And the vibes you just brought are immaculate. I appreciate that. W Day, man. Unstoppable. You too, King. Thanks for stopping in. Means a lot. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have some good luck on the charts as well. It is pre-FOMC. Man, that pulled me out of my thought process. What was I talking about? Oh, Danny, you're due for yours too, Queen. And like I said, that's the thing. Is like, it's literally swinging that pickaxe where the success is never known, but you chose that ground and you've been digging in that ground for so long. You're so close to finding diamonds or gold. It's right there, Queen. It's right there. Yo, if we haven't yet, show some love to the like button, family. It means the most. We're trying to get to that 20 goal every day. Yesterday is the first day in a while we fell a little bit short. W Day, I see Ty. Hope your day is blessed. I hope tomorrow will be your day as well. Galaxy, thanks for topping in and chatting and sharing the vibes, King. Means the most. Truly, thank you so much. Good luck on your trading as well. Hope the vibes and blessings go your way too, King. I hope we can all just eat. I hope the NASDAQ can put out a nice big fat Thanksgiving dinner. We just had Thanksgiving, but it's my favorite. Just a big old fat meal, and we can all just eat. 2 more likes. Let's go work. 2 beautiful likes away from our goal of 20. If y'all haven't yet, you know what to do. More importantly, join this conversation. We got a couple new chatters here. Galaxy, Unstoppable, Manny. I think Unstoppable's been here before, and Manny maybe as well, but Galaxy I think is new. And either way, I appreciate y'all for stopping back in, sharing your morning. Hey, hope so, Ty. Just a little emotional today. It's just been a tough year all around, and I think the blue account just got me a little more than it would normal. Haha. Understandable. I have those days every single. Those are often, Danny. Something small adds up, and then you have this just camel that breaks the back, and everything just feels like it's on you. But fuck, we're here for you, Queen. It's exciting. These are the moments that everything turns around. You can never experience the highs without feeling these lows. Do you have to trade two more days to pass, Ty? TLR? I do, King. Well, yes, technically I do. I have to have 1,000 tomorrow or 500 and then 1,000. So I'm really hoping that next week we're going into Tradeify, or going in the week with some Tradeify accounts. 500 tomorrow, 1,000 tomorrow, and then the remainder the next day. W Day, hope everyone having a great day. Manuel, you too, King. Appreciate the vibes. Way to show some love. I hope you have some great trading. Protect your accounts. FOMC's coming. That's when the volatility is going to be here. So if you guys are going to be taking some trades, I'd be waiting for that. And yeah, just size down, because the volatility is going to be crazy. Appreciate the comment though, Manuel. Bro, do you ever feel like an imposter at work? Probably. I don't think so. I don't ever feel like I don't belong there. I don't ever feel like I'm not one of these people. For me, also, I work with plants a lot, right? So with my job specifically, I've been doing it for 3 years, and I'm very much a professional in the industry. So I feel like I belong, but I can understand that if you don't have as much experience in something, it could feel a little weird. I don't even feel like an imposter trading or streaming. I feel like, truly, this is going to sound a little cliche, but I feel like this is kind of my calling. I've been doing content since I was like fucking 14 years old. I gave up on a lot of different things because I couldn't find like a direct path to helping people with it. And like, I just didn't love the idea of like vlogs. That's what I started with. So I've always been the idea of like, I want to do something on the internet and create a thing for people and like a space. So this is something I just love doing. Trading obviously is the opportunity to change our lives. You guys know TFF, Trading for Freedom. It's literally my whole analysis for life. So yeah, I feel very aligned in terms of like my direction. Sellers taking this thing down to the 600s now, Amy. Here we go. Are we going to find this continuation? They got to get through this flatness at these 600s. Let's see what happens. But yeah, no, I feel okay. I feel like that because I got lucky with my internship at the JP Morgan, especially since I'm a wealth management position that I didn't really work for like them. I mean, the people at work have 10 plus years of experience and I got 0, but I somehow got it, LOL. I think that should be a testament to you and your character, Pobby. I don't think that's because you don't belong. I think that's just because you offer something that they're excited about, and that the people with 10 years of experience probably either have exactly this, like they also resemble that, or they don't have it, and that's what you bring on that's different to the table. But your hiring manager, he's not a newbie, right? Your hiring manager is not an imposter. He's been there before. He's done this thing multiple times, and if he found value in you and your application and your responses and your energy, then you're absolutely there, King. Something they found in you is valuable. I see the value in you. You know, your energy is immaculate. Your overall positivity is just great. So for a risk manager or wealth management position, maybe it's to help the people you're managing to just kind of be a little bit more lighthearted and just be goofy and fun and make finance fun again. You know what I mean? Maybe that's what you're doing, Pobby. You're making finance fun again because you make the stream fun, King. So I believe you belong. If someone found value in you, that's value. I appreciate it, bro. It means a lot. For sure, King. I'm glad. I'm only saying what I see, King. I'm only saying what I see. NASDAQ finding some selling now. Okay. We gave up VWAP, and we're pushing down towards these 6s. Aiming. We're below the 6s. You could now be looking for some spots. Anything below these 600s, I would not mind us seeing Friday's low at the 62s. 64s. Brah. Brr. Hey. Wait, work. Did you just... What are you saying, Burke? Did you miss that? What do you mean? Ty here cheering and lifting everyone up here. Absolutely, Queen. Like, y'all lift me up every fucking day. That's why we have a community. We're here for each other when we all need it. I need it sometimes, and y'all are always there for me. And that's just the thing. That's what y'all do. I'm glad I could be here for y'all if you need it too. Literally means so much that we're building this community together. And it's the NASDAQ. Finally, the party started, family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes ago, we've sold off about 70 points, which is funny that's exciting. I mean, this is just slow price action, but finally we're getting some movements. I would be interested in shorts now below these 600s. I'd be looking for a fill back and around those 6s and looking for the Friday low. But also, that's kind of still fairly low probability. I'd be patient, guys, and wait for FOMC. Nah, I already took a loss today, so I locked myself out. I like that work. You did say that, Kane. That's right. Still in, Pat? Yeah, Pat. Are you still riding this cave? Let's go. Tell me you're rolling right now. Break evens on. Take profit firing yesterday's low. Sellers are starting to get a little bit more excited here. You know he is. Let's go, Saucy. You know he is. Saucy, when you said you didn't have any profit in account today, did you buy a new combine? Because yesterday I know you got that free one. Did you buy one today that you were going to use to buy one yesterday? Had one yesterday, yes. Oh, so you still had the one from yesterday that you traded? Had a half. Oh, you had a half passed. Fuck. Sorry, King. That's even worse. Damn, brother. Free combines. What's the secret sauce? That secret. It's that secret max sauce. Nah, I purchased one after the free one. Oh, okay. So you had the free one, blew that, and you had the purchase, then you half passed, and then you just blew it. I got you, King. It's tough. It's painful, King. Sorry to hear it. You don't want to know, buddy. Does anyone else? I just want to go swing some golf clubs. Like, fuck. The whole world goes quiet when you're doing something you enjoy. That's what we all need. We just need more leisure things to enjoy. Like, Danny, what do you actually do to unwind off of work, off of trading? What does everybody do? That's a great... I'm curious for most of us. What do we do to unwind, family? Like, what do we do to separate ourselves from the stress of our trading, our journey, our life, our work? What do we do to, like, unwind? Now, I purchased one after the... resulted in a cramped up hand. Damn, you punched something? Better than a cramped mouth. Lockjaw. Oh my god, I just remembered the GTA update that just came out. Gotta go buy the penthouse. Let's go work. Go get that money, king. Weed in video games. Sounds pretty great to me. I was gonna say lockjaw, but keeping it classy. We don't keep it classy. We're classy people. Here goes the selling. NASDAQ continuing. Did we just tap Friday low there? I think maybe. Was that Friday's low or we just avoid it? Or yesterday's low? No, we still avoided it. What is it? 560s. Selling is pulling in here. I know Pat's rolling with that. Weed in video games is nice. Let's go, chat. Got the first half of my 5 150K combines. We'll now trade these individually to get max allocation. GPT! Let's fucking go, baby. Almost 750K in funding. You're halfway there, king. Let's go. Oh, that's exciting. Good for you, GPT. Sabi, that's a question for you. Would you do that? Would you do that once a day for 5 free accounts? Get lockjaw. Is that what you're referencing right now, Sauce? Are you saying would you give yourself lockjaw once a day for 5 free accounts? Hands down. Y'all are so wild. Y'all so wild. I think it depends on my situation. It's funny that you ask because I was talking with my mom about it, saying that I haven't been doing stuff to unwind with my cat being very sick and all the appointments with it and work and trading and keeping that up with the house chores. Fucking relatable right there, queen. That's what I was saying. Like, we got to find stuff. We got to find things, especially like you're saying, you're dealing with extra stressors and extra life things outside of the charts, outside of trading, outside of, and then obviously maintaining house posture and everything. Like, yeah, queen, you need something to give yourself that space and that freedom. Maybe that's reading for you, going on walks, going to cafes, meeting up with friends, working out. Obviously, I think you should definitely be working out a little bit, queen. You know what I mean? Healthy traders are profitable traders. I was saying that forever. Yeah, I love to read and watch my TV shows. It's a really good way to go. Going to the movies. Hey. What type of books do you like to read, Danny? What is it that you do for work, Danny? Saucy asked. What is it? What type of books do you like to read too? For sure, hopping on the yoga mat every day. Hey, absolutely, queen. I gotta start stretching a little bit more. Flexibility is so underrated. Yoga is so amazing. I went yoga pretty hard for like 2 months. I really loved it. Got a lot of flexibility and then just stopped. I'm an accountant clerk. That's the day job. She's a trader. She's a professional trader that's just developing her skills, but her day job right now is a clerk, though she's a professional trader. And I love to read thrillers. Hey, something exciting. I like that, Danny. So a little bit fictional, a little fiction thriller. That sounds very nice. Okay, I can see that. Hell yeah. And any true crime content, lol. Women in true crime is crazy. Don't take that the wrong way, but man, it is like a 10 out of 10. If you put a true crime anything in front of a woman, they're locked in. It's like putting golf or sports in front of a guy, just locked in. There's like I'm gonna put y'all on if y'all don't want to go to the theater. tinyzone.gg. If you start seeing random ads, stop using the app. Free movies there, Ty. Hey, work dropping value, family. tinyzone.gg. If you start getting some weird shit, close it. But other than that, you get some free movies. I like that, work. I listen to true crime podcasts daily, lol. So I know 2 other girls that do the same thing daily too. It's so interesting to me. I'm quite interested in what is it about that gives you is it just because it's like a possibility to a world that you don't understand? Is it a little scary, so it's a little exciting? Is it because you're like, take this in, I'm trying to say this in the nicest way possible, but because you are a female, is it more something that you think about more often? Like as a male, I'm never worried about checking the back seat of my car when I get in, you know what I mean? As a female, I can imagine having a lot more reasons to be on edge. So is it that? I find it very fascinating. Yeah, it's so amazing. There's a lot of it is interesting, but it's not something I would typically watch all the time, but women do. Danny had the dark side. Welcome to the dark side. Haha, no, Saucy, I'm very nice, but give me all the serial killers. Yeah, she's a sweetheart. She's a queen, but she likes to see people. She wants to understand the psychology of what makes someone kill somebody, which I can understand. I'm interested in that aspect. I want to know what causes it, right? I want to know, like, man, what made this dude snap, or what made this person go off, or whatever. But I don't know. Oh yeah, when I walk home in the dark, it feels very unsafe, and I walk fast. Yeah, but is that because you're always watching true crime stuff, so you're always you're a little bit scared, or is that because, so this is the paradox? Is it chicken or the egg? Do you get scared when you walk because you're always seeing that stuff, or do you see that stuff because you get scared when you walk, so you get intrigued by it? You can go deeper to the ones that get aroused by those killers and stuff too. Yeah, that's insane, Saucy. Those people that are just like, it's crazy. It's a whole concept that I'm actually like, I love psychology. I love the way humans think. I love the way that we act. I love to see motivations and everything. It's usually the wife. It's always the wife. It's always the husband, Sobs. The husband always killed her. I've been followed a couple times now. It's scary. Oh my God, queen. Pepper spray, fucking nunchucks, whatever you gotta do. Protect yourself for sure. The wife snapped because the husband spent $10K on golf. Honey, what happened to our bank account? Where the fuck did these 5 figures go? Huh? I don't know what you're talking about. Huh? Swinging clubs in the garage with a simulator. That's what I would spend $10K on, a little golf simmy. My girl is like that as well. Every time she gets home, I see her on the camera run to every single light in the house and turns it on. I understand. I mean, I think I probably would too. If I wasn't, 200 pounds and a 6-foot male, I'd probably be a little bit more intimidated by life. So I can understand. It's not like, imagine being like 5'2", 5'3", 110, 20 pounds. You're just vulnerable. I can understand. Pretend phone call too. A little while back here, a girl was murdered biking home while on the phone to 9/11. The dude murdered her. They heard the whole thing. Wow. Holy shit, queen. And that happened there? Wow. That makes your skin crawl. That's the thing. I can't watch that type of shit because it like ekes me out. It's like, ugh. It's like, fuck. What's up, family? Long time no see. Hope all is well. NQ been trash today. Daiquiri, good morning, king. Happy to have you back in, brother. It is trash. This is pre-FOMC. So obviously we have in 3 hours and 12 minutes, we're going to have Powell talking, bringing volatility, probably going to get an interest rate cut. So the market's holding for that. Right now, not a lot of action. So protect your account if you haven't traded yet, king. But happy to have you back, brother. Happy to have you home. Drop the like button if you haven't yet. Means the most. Girlfriend 5'8", so they think she's a dude. I bet I'm 5'3", and I'm the one who runs when walking at night. Bobby, you're so fucking funny, dude. Girlfriend's 5'8", so they think she's a dude. So crazy. I understand her as well. I told her if she wanted to do jiu-jitsu. Yo, a little BJJ, a little jiu-jitsu, a little bit of fucking self-defense. I love jiu-jitsu. I wrestled for 8 years and then did jiu-jitsu for a little while as well. I love grappling. TP smash! Let's fucking go, Pat! Woo! Good short off the 50s, king. So happy for you, brother. Great trading. She said hell nah and walked away, lol. 18 likes, 2 more, guys. Yo, if we haven't yet, show some love to the like button, family. Let's get to that 20 before we get out of here. I'm going to be getting out of here in a couple minutes, but bink. Let's go. Let's go, Pat. I wish I was joking. That's hilarious, Pops. NASDAQ finding some support after sweeping through the 15-minute bottom there. Holding through these 560s back into the 600s. Now pushing to the 620s. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's go. NASDAQ, wow. Buyers stepping right back up, though, guys. I think we're going to have a pretty exciting FOMC. I'm just going to say it like that. I think we're going to have a pretty exciting FOMC. And we're here for it. But we're going to be back tomorrow, family. See what type of volatility we get. If you guys are going to trade FOMC, protect yourself. Size down a little bit. The volatility is going to be wild. Daddy Powell is going to bring some volatility, so do what you can to keep your accounts as safe as you can, and let's make some money. I appreciate every single one of y'all for stopping and sharing the morning with us. It means the most. Had some fun. Got lucky with a little bit of momentum there, and see if we can carry it through tomorrow. Get these Tradeify accounts passed. Been doing it since I was 16, and I told her it was fun, and she will get a girl to show her how to defend herself. Shawty starting yelling at me like, what? She will get a girl to show her how to defend herself. Been doing it since you're 16. Damn, works. You know how to grapple, King. I love that. Yeah, dude, definitely show her. I mean, it's valuable. Be able to protect yourself. It gives a different level of confidence to life. Just walking around, feeling like you can at least handle something if it happens. So let me ask: rate cut is good for market? No rate cut is bad. Rate cut is probably good right now, just because it's expected. No rate cut would be bad. Yes, Bobs. No rate cut, not good. But also, I don't know. That's the thing. We could get a rate cut and still have the market react sour. So I don't know how we're going to react, but typically that is the stance. All right, you beautiful people. I'm getting out of here for today. Thank you so fucking much for sharing your energy with me this morning. It means the most. Our community is literally top notch, getting better, getting stronger every day. Pobby, Sobs, Work, Pat, Saucy, Danny, Daiquiri stopping in again. I appreciate that. Obviously, y'all know GPT, Amy. I fucking love y'all. Sellers still trying to do something after that momentum. We'll see what happens. Take it easy, family. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And we'll do it again tomorrow. The vibes keep going tomorrow. I love y'all. Peace.